Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name's Neil and I'm here to unbox one of the most special jerseys that's about to enter my collection. I'm so excited for it. You guys have no idea. It's a limited edition jersey. It's in this bag right here. You need to cover it up. It is, I think there was less than 100 run. I'm not exactly sure. I can't remember, but it's from the UK. So not only is it outside of North America and it's rare, but it's really, really special to me. The meaning behind it, the reason that I bought it, and I'll explain it obviously when I open it up. And then I've got something else to show you as well. And if you've watched the Mail Time, or maybe, I don't know, can't remember. Yeah, I'm releasing this after the Mail Time. So if you haven't seen the Mail Time, you might want to go watch that because there's something cool that I unbox in that as well that I'll show in this video. But if you want to see my original reaction to that, go watch the Mail Time. Anyways, let's get into this. So, this is not of a team that exists. It is of, it's more of an appreciation jersey. Oh, it's so nice. And I did get a custom name on the back. You ready? Let's do it. Unreal. Unreal. Wow. Wow. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. That's what it says on the front. If you could see on the back, there's a name, Price. That no, that is not for Carey Price. That is for my grandfather, Spencer Price, who was a Spitfire pilot in World War II. And this is what this jersey represents. The RAF, the Royal Air Force. You can see some Spitfires on there, maybe some Hurricanes. The money from this was donated to, I could not pass up buying this jersey. I couldn't pass it up. It is absolutely phenomenal. And the people who sold this jersey, their name is on the bottom here, so make sure I show it, is 5on3. If you not follow them on Twitter, you should. That's where I found this. Or that's where I found about this, so I could go buy it on the site. Wow. This is special. Okay, so if you guys don't know, my family's huge into genealogy, specifically Dad. We actually released a genealogy video just a couple of days ago, so we're really in tune with our history, him more so than me, definitely. But one thing I do appreciate about my history is my grandfather, Spencer, who fought in World War II, who flew Spitfires, like I said, and 43 is on the back because that's the year that he was in the war. He fought, or he flew in Operation Market Garden, which was over Holland, I believe. And I thought that a tattoo would pay respect to him in a way. I don't want to glorify war on my body, but he could have given his life. He gave his time at least to the war, and I wanted to pay respect and pay homage to him. He's passed away now, but I'm sure you guys have seen it in videos and stuff. But on my arm here is a Spitfire that he flew with his squadron number, the 421 Red Indian Squadron, and I also believe he flew in a different squadron, 229, I think. But that's all I have for right now is just the 421 with a part of the badge, and then a Spitfire, and then the tail number here, and eventually I think on the other side I'm going to get the 229 and finish the rest of this and kind of work down the arm and stuff. And I got that tattoo to never forget, basically, never forget what he did and what others did in the war. And he was one of the lucky ones. He came back, and I'm here because of it. I'm here making this video because he did come back, but there's so many who didn't come back, and that is why we remember. That's why there's Remembrance Day here in Canada. That's why there's Veterans Day other places, and that's why stuff like this is so important, because it is easy to forget. It was You know, it's 80 years ago. This is an 80-year anniversary jersey. It was. This is. It's wild to think that this was 80 years ago, but it's important that we don't forget ever, ever, ever. So this jersey is probably the most important jersey in my entire collection now, because it does have a personal connection with my family. It's got his name on the back, which is, you know, it's unbelievable. This jersey is literally one of a kind with the number on the back and the name on the back. In mail time, I got a very special jersey. It was sent in by someone who wishes to be unnamed, but this is the jersey that was sent in literally like a week ago. Look at this. All gave some gave all, is written on the back. 75th anniversary of D-Day, the Battle of Normandy. So to get a jersey like this, which is, it's amazing to have this, but also in the back of my mind know that I have this jersey coming as well. So to have both of these is just, it means so much to me. You guys have no idea. I want to frame these. I want to put them in shadow boxes maybe, but I almost don't at the same time, because look at the back and how amazing this is. And then the front, I don't want to hide the front or the back. I kind of want to have them out to show people to wear, just to look at. And so I'm a little bit torn on what to do with these. I want them on my wall, but I don't want to just hang them on my wall. That feels a bit tacky. So I feel like they should go into a shadow box. Maybe I could get a glassless or a windowless shadow box where I could hang them in there and then flip them every so often. I'm not exactly sure, but wow. So cool. I know this isn't really hockey related. We're combining something that has nothing to do with hockey, kind of with hockey, a specialty jersey, right? So to my hockey fans, I know this wasn't really hockey oriented, but to my viewers in general, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it's more of a toned down, serious kind of video. I'm not all over the place getting excited about, logos or whatever, but this is meaningful. This humbles. This brings me down in a good way. This makes me realize, stop and think and that stuff. So it's a good day. It's a good day. It's a very good day. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you can hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in a future video. Adios, guys.